highway that I am using this new track to coming back to Victoria from Port Hardy side. So there are a lot of interlink island that if you are coming from this Iceland highway, you can stop, you can have the park, and you can have the boats, yachts and ferries that goes to different Iceland, because normally there is one side Victoria and one side is the Vancouver Island and one side is Alaska. So when you have the big yacht, you can go even Alaska by this Pacific Ocean link. This is a nice highway and today is nice weather. This little cloudy. Now weather is changing now. It's continually, it was very sunshine month, but now it has started the cloud. Might now weather will little change now, but it was amazing weather really.